Good morning, sir.
Hey, Miss Charles, how you doing?
Good.
Okay. We got a brief quiz today. So you're early. That's extra credit there. So you about 7 minutes before you start class.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Tyler. Mr. Tyler.
Yeah, sorry, Lisa. I couldn't get to the unmute button fast enough. What's going on there?
It's okay. Do we scratch off B like last time
Which part? Which problem you talking about?
for problem um one on the
Let me
quiz?
take let me take a look here. Yeah, I think you're right. If I look at it, it's probably what I didn't scratch off. Let's see here. Lisa, always keeping me busy. Let me see here. I'll click on here. Yeah, I'm enjoying it because you on point. It's been a while since a student is focused. Lisa, yes, that goes away. Does that answer your question there?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. All right, so we're gonna go through our norms in 5 minutes. So this is like the grace period. Class is officially started at 10:10. As a point of understanding, you have to keep your cameras on during class period, which is effectively now, unless you are a bulldog, and bulldogs have the icons that allow them to not use their camera. That's one of the perks to being a bulldog. Something you all should be striving for. Welcome to class, Angel. Okay, so listen, I've installed a few new gadgets, and the gadgets allow me to see how long you've been online, and I'm gonna start sending those feeds to parents as well as academics or Mr. Ortiz. Now, this is to cover myself and cover you, but if if you're aware of how computers work, it's tracking how long you're online. So just please stay the entire time. Don't leave early. If you leave early, it's going to start marking you absent automatically. So it's out of my hands at this point because the students are not staying the whole time. And what's the next step is to have parental intervention. So yeah, take this serious. We are in school. This is not a game. Um, let's go to today's quiz, to our norms, not quiz. Okay. So I didn't know I burnt my finger. Ouch. I was cooking last night. Uh, okay, so the five basic norms. I would like Lisa to read number 1 and number 2. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
No one has to right to hurt another person. Wait, Mr. Tyler, I hear echo through your thing.
You got an echo?
Yeah, but you unmuted. Thank you. No one has the right to hurt another person. Education and the classroom are sacred. Do you want me to read all of them?
Go ahead, Lisa. Yeah.
Okay. We will never behave in a way that would discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. At Excel Academy of Southwest, student is always a lady or gentleman. We take pride in Excel Academy of Southwest.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. All right. So, Miss Childs, can you read? Let's see here. 1 through 3 of the 5 academic norms. Do you see it?
Yeah.
All right.
We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participate.
Okay, I had to mute myself because Lisa educated me that you guys get the echo. Last but not least is 4 and 5. Angel, can you read 4 and 5?
We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavor.
Thank you, Angel. Okay, so everybody got participation points for just participating in saying the norms with me, right? So we have a quiz today. Miss Childs, I'm going to have you do something a little bit different, which is a previous assignment. And I'm going to direct you to a video, and I just want you to do that assignment because you came in, but I don't want to task you with a quiz and you still just getting the hang of the class, right? So just don't do exactly what Lisa and everybody else has to do because I got to give you a separate assignment. Let's see here. So today's quiz, let me get you guys started so I can get her going on something else. I did attendance. I got you 3 listed. Okay, Angel's here, and make sure that's in the system, and then share out to office. Let's click on this. We were about out of time here. Let's see here. Yeah, it's about 1 minute left. So they're late. That's it. Uh, Minimize this. This is now almost 10:15. And you're going to go into EDSB, everybody. You should be used to this at this point. Everything we've covered since Monday is on this quiz. Lisa even informed me that I was supposed to take off B. You don't do part B of 1. Okay? That's a little too difficult. So, and I didn't want you having to go back through time to figure out what that equation was. We covered it, but I don't think y'all remember. So don't worry about B there. But every other question you do have to do. And remember, each of these has a particular simulation. So I told you guys about this. I warned you. This one right here, go back through your notes and see which simulation it was. And then go to the simulator, which is inside of the classroom, right? So next week we're going to be working on these. But if you're not sure where that classroom is, let me go back a couple steps. You got the quiz 7, which is where this is. And then the classroom, if you go to yesterday's recording, which is further down, I think, you click on Google Docs here, and it'll give you a slideshow that you can use. I'm going to put that in the chat so you guys can get that going in case you need access to any of the simulators. Okay, so I'll grab this, copy, put this in the chat for you guys. Who else just came in the room? Jacqueline, welcome to class. Yeah, another student coming. So let's put this in the chat real quick. And let's do this. Okay, so now you have the slide deck. And like I said on the last one, hello, Courtney. On the last one, so you click on me. Hey, Courtney. You click on me, and then what else? We click on physics, right? And then all this got to change in here. I'm going to change this in a minute for our objective and whatnot. But when you click on any of these icons, they are simulators. You got to find the right one you want to use. And I have them all listed in this cubby. You pick this one. Some of them are the car here for acceleration. I don't think we're using that. But then you have the Apple, that's forces. And you don't have this one really. But you got a few in there you can use. All right. So just try to figure that part out. All parts need their simulators. But do the problems first and then come back and do the simulations if you can. All right. So let's keep going. The next thing we want to do is get into our quiz. So the quiz is located here. Quiz number 7. Click on this, and you're going to come to the PDF and start copying your document over. So what do you need? Let's go through the basics. This is for computer science. Let's get rid of that. So the basics, right? Make sure you're logged into Google under your account, because this is how you're going to access your account later. Now, the next thing is you want your docs. Okay. And inside of your documents, you're going to look at where your blank document is to create that. And the title of the document is this. Now, Ms. Childs, this is the part you can do with us because you're going to be doing your own. I'm going to have you watch a video from, was you here yesterday? I got to check the attendance. I don't know if you were. No?
I think I was. I'm not sure. I had something to do yesterday.
Okay. So we're going to go to Wednesday, give you an easier assignment to finish. So while you're waiting on this, Ms. Childs, you could be typing up a document like I am. You're going to date it for Wednesday, which was, what date was that? The 28th, okay? That's the assignment you're going to work on. I want you to go into your ESI portal and find the assignment for the 28th. In a minute, I'm going to walk you through how to get there. We need our header, okay? And the date is, it's going to be different for her, but our date is the 30th. Happy Halloween, everybody, if you celebrate it or not. And period, right, is what? What period is the second period? Okay. Zoom in so you guys can see everything. And I'm going to make
So
sure.
am I putting the same date that you are?
No, that's what I was saying, Ms. Childs. You're going to put in the date for the 28th because that's the assignment you're going to work on.
Okay.
All right. So, you know, you do your title with the 28th and the header. This is second period. And you guys are physics with algebra. Students. Okay. Okay, close parentheses. Today's title, you're just going to simply put quiz 7. We're at the finish line, everybody. Next week is finals, and they're easy if you set up your classrooms, your Bitmojis, I mean. Come over here, and I don't want to hit tab, I just want to center it. And come down 1, 2, and come back over here. The exit slip portion we'll do towards the end. But I just want to show you what you need to do. You need to first have EDSB open, and next you want to grab the quiz. So open the quiz up and download it first. That's what I tell all students. Because if you try to copy the questions and you didn't download it first, it's going to give you a bit of a headache trying to copy that stuff. So let me open it up. Once you download, you hit open, and it comes up with a downloadable view for you within the browser. All right, so these are the questions. You're going to start copying them over right now, because I'm going to give you guys about, let's see, it's 10, 20. I want to give you at least 25 to 30 minutes to work on this, okay? At the end of that timer, you have to share your screen so you can show me how much you've gotten done. This is how we make sure you guys are doing work in class, all right? So I got that out the way. Let's go through some of the agenda for today, okay? So in our agenda, we have, going to ESB to do this. I'm going to have some students read it out. Each one is anywhere from 10 to 15 points for just reading this part. Make sure you guys get to that quiz PDF inside of here. So let's start with this. I'm pretty sure maybe only Lisa will get it. But let's see who can read all of the first part, which is going to be, I want to say around 10 points, if it all fits in the chat. And the reason I put it in the chat so you guys can see, it's disabled right now because I'm trying to make sure no one sneaks in on us. But it'll be activated later. So let me see who can read this. Jacqueline's mic is down, if I remember. Ms. Childs, can you read what's in the chat real quick?
You talking about what you highlighted?
No, you have a chat feature in Google Meet, right?
Hold on.
So if you click on the chat feature, it'll open up a chat window, and I just put something in there.
I don't know how to speak that other language, but
That's French, okay. But say what you can, and I'll see if Lisa can translate.
So you still want me to do that?
Yeah, just read we.
Oh no. Oh. We will discuss grades in class for 10 minutes and then begin our weekly quiz. Please see attached PDF of quiz number 7 below. You will have until 8 p.m. today to complete this quiz in order to gain maximum credit.
Awesome, great job. Okay, so let's see here. Oh yeah, I forgot I turned on my Halloween filter, so I look like a weird person, I guess. But it's just for Halloween. So she got 10 points for that. The last part I'm gonna have. Let's see here. Courtney, can you read what's in the chat real quick?
Good morning. Please review all recordings.
There you go. There you go. No, go ahead, Courtney. I'm sorry.
Please review all recordings of prior classes and any notes you have collected throughout the week in order to be successful in this quiz. Wish you all great luck and skill. Zen.
Thank you, sir. That was 10 points for Mr. Dixon. Now, you don't have your costume on no more, Courtney. I was like, you gonna show everybody, but he took it off. So let's keep going. You said what, sir?
I said I ain't gonna put it back onto GGI.
I just do the GGI, man. Yeah, it looked kind of cool this morning. That's all I was saying. I was like, is that Courtney? He looked kind of ghoulish from Thriller or something. It was kind of cool. All right, so everybody, you're gonna get approximately this clock is 10:23. Some of you guys about 25 minutes to start off. And at the end, you should have all the questions, at least when we share out, the document set up like we normally do. Don't forget the title and stuff. So this is what I'm talking about, your Google Doc, right? Make sure all that's established. Next, you'll put your questions in, and then you're going to start using your Google Docs or your Google Drive, your cloud or digital notebook to put the notes in that you remember, okay? Again, this is being recorded, this call, and not just the call, but your attendance log. So do not leave early. Some students, I had to reverse their attendance because they left early too many times. This nice little tool I have shows when you leave and come back, leave and come back. So I don't have to worry about remembering. It just does it. And it prints out a report, and I'm going to start sending to parents who need to know why their student is not doing well. I think I covered everything. clock for 25 minutes. I'll be here. Just, let me know if you have a question, but bear in mind that this is a quiz, so I can't really help you too much. This is about seeing how much you remember and how great your notes were. Okay, so I got that done. Right now, the biggest thing is Miss Childs, so I got to give her. So, Miss Childs, I'm gonna put on my screen. Are you there? Because your camera's off. In SB.
I'm here.
Okay, cool. So in SB, I want you to. Can you share your screen for a second? I want to let me turn on the filter so you can share.
I was gonna say you sharing.
I know. I know. I'm still learning too, right? Okay, so let me stop sharing, and I want you to share yours because I want to walk you through how to get to that assignment easily on Wednesday that we did. So it's the 28th. You can start sharing too when you're ready. Okay, you sharing? Let's see here.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Okay, I see you. I see you. Ooh, I look ghoulish. All right. What was I about to say? So
Go to the document.
yeah, I want you to go to SB though, so I can show you which assignment it is you're going to work on. All right. So scroll up a little bit to the top. Okay. Now, if you can, click on class. I'm sorry, not class. My work. I apologize. My work. That one in the middle. Now use this, Miss Childs, because the class view is kind of like Facebook. It just gives you a big old timeline, and I know you don't want to keep scrolling and scrolling to find stuff, right? So get used to clicking on that My Work part, and then click on Assessments. And I want you to scroll down on Assessments listing. This is the easiest way to figure out what you got to do, right? Did you click on it?
Yeah.
Oh, it stopped?
Yeah, it's not letting me click it.
Oh. Okay, refresh your screen because I think it's stuck. Is it oh, there was a block that popped up. It was locked up for a second. Oh, we're waiting on it to reload. So let me know when it changes. Oh, it's changing. Okay, now try it. Still nothing?
Nope.
Okay. All right, so go back to the class view because I don't understand why yours is not working. And we got to scroll down and find it. That was the easier way.
Now it's not letting me do nothing.
Well, I think it's your browser's locking up. Did you reboot your computer last night or anything, or you left it running?
No.
You didn't reboot it?
No, I just closed it.
That's not the same. See, yeah, you got errors. Okay. So, Miss Childs, what I want you to do real quick is reboot your computer and come back in the room because you're going to have issues all day if you let it run like this. And every night, everybody, you should be shutting your computer down so you can be ready for class. And oh, that's what I wanted. It works now. Go back, go back. It was just there.
I know.
No, we was waiting on that. There, okay. All right. So you're going to go to the 28th. You got to look to the left-hand side for the dates.
This.
I can't see that too well, but does it say 28th?
Yeah, say October 28th, 2020.
And what's the name of the assignment?
Tippy
Canoe?
Yeah.
That's the correct one. All right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a YouTube video, and you just got to type everything that I'm typing, okay?
Hold on, let me come back to the classroom.
Okay. But you got to click on that one so you can open the assignment up, So definitely start there. Let me grab the link. You open that assignment up and you start setting those questions into the document.
So how do I open this assignment? Because it's not letting me do it from here.
You click on submit. Did you do that?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. Does it help?
Yeah, it went to it.
Okay. Hey, Elliot. We're starting our quiz, Alita. You got about so open that up and start putting those questions. That first question. Put that first question, Miss Childs, into your Google Doc.
Mr. Tyler, can you copy and paste the questions in the group chat?
You heard me, Mr. Tyler?
Yeah, I heard you. I heard you. I'm trying to help out Miss Child. So Aaliyah, just start setting your document up and find the quiz, and then I'll grab the questions. I can't put all the questions in the chat though, Aaliyah. There's 7 questions. So some of those you're gonna have to type them back in. It's 7 questions here now. Let's see here, because the questions are in PDF form. So now, what was I about to say? The video for Miss Childs is that's the 28th, right?
Mhm.
Okay, let me grab that from my list of videos. So my channel and any videos. I'm so glad I have a repository of videos for you guys in case students miss work. This is physics, so that's this one. Okay. All right, and please let me know if you're able to view the video
You put it in the group chat? I mean, in the chat.
in Google Meet chat. Yeah, do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, now, yeah, you're able to see it. Okay, so go to that video, mute your mic and everything. Make sure you take the questions and you put it into like I did. It's 2 questions, I think, and I explain
These,
everything. Hmm?
these 2 questions?
You see the 1S and the 2A?
Yeah.
Okay, so put those 2 questions in there. You said what's going on? Okay. All right, now, Aaliyah, if you on your laptop, Aaliyah, you can get those questions. The questions are here. They're not Nesby. So, like I said, it was 7 questions altogether. I Lisa, I just had a lot of papers to grade, so I couldn't. I was going to say, Miss Childs, you can mute yourself. I mean, making me listen to myself.
So can I just copy and paste these questions into my
That's what I was saying. Yeah, yeah. But did you set up your document correctly? You need your. Oh, you did. You did. I see it. I see it. Never mind. Is the title in the middle of the page like mine's, Miss Childs? For that is Tippy Canoe. So you see where I have quiz 7 on mine's. You're gonna You can't see what I'm presenting, can you?
Nope.
No.
You want me to stop presenting?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. And I should be starting. Okay. So you should see what I'm doing, right?
Mhm.
So you see where I put quiz 7? You're gonna put Tippy Canoe. That's the title. But I tell you about that in the video. So watch the video, mute yourself because I don't want to hear myself. I'm not, narcissistic or vain. Feeling weird. I got to listen to myself. And just try to finish as much as you can. I give you all the steps for that first problem. All right. I'm not saying you get the second problem done, Miss Childs, but definitely by 8, you need to have that first problem done.
Okay.
Okay. So take some time today. Towards the end, when the timer stops, I am going to ask you to share your screen so I can see how much you gotten done. All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so if there's no more questions, you have 16 more minutes before we do share outs. Remember, you have to share something. You have to show the document is established. You have to show you've done at least 2 questions. And those problems for substitution, they need graphs, the both of them. If you're not sure how to do that, check out yesterday's video, which is Steele and Nesby. And all videos are in the library since day 1. But you might want to just check from Monday to Thursday to see if there's any questions you can get help on. All right?
Do I put my word of the day in there too?
You talking about the exit slip part, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's 25 points if you put the definitions of those in there.
Okay.
Mr. Tyler. Mr. Tyler.
Yes, it's time with that.
It's okay. Can I leave early today to set up for GGI? Because that's what I do every Friday. Not like early, but like around like 11 something.
That's fine. That's fine. I know you got a house. GG.
Okay.
Let me turn the chat on. Is that Irvin?
Yeah.
Hey,
Thank
Tyler,
you.
how you doing?
Okay. So just let me know when you're leaving. Irvin, the chat is open. I'm assuming you're gonna put the link in there or something. Or
Yeah.
okay,
Thanks.
no problem. I'll turn it back off.
All right.
Tyler.
Somebody had a question?
Yeah, I'm gonna need more time.
Right, you got all the time in the world, dude. Are you talking about more time on the clock?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 8 minutes. When it expires, we get out of here. 8 minutes will take us to 50 almost. So yeah, I can give everybody 10 more minutes if that's what you're asking. Would that help?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, no problem. Okay, everybody, 10 more minutes and then we're gonna do share out. This is what Angel and a few others I think was asking about. So take a few more minutes. 9 minutes, we're gonna do share outs.
Mr. Tyler.
Hey, Lisa, it's this time, isn't it?
What was the?
No, I'm
Oh,
saying
my bad.
it's almost
Yeah. What was the
the
term
term
of
of the
the day?
day. Oh,
Forgot the word of the
so the
day.
term of the day. Let me look at it real quick. Uh, I think it's evaluation. Look here. Yeah, I think it's evaluation. So let me just give me 1 second, Lisa, because I know you gotta get out of here. I want to get you the right word. Stop ringing in my ear. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do this. Where is it at? Okay, so Lisa, I'll give it to you in Edsby because I know you got to get ready for townhouse. Okay, so I'll put it in Edsby. You can put it in later. Okay, see you around.
Okay.
It is
Thank you.
11 o'clock, everybody. It is time for share outs. At this point, I just need to see it, you guys. At least, Courtney, you broke up. What'd you say? Yes, sir. Go right ahead.
I said, can I
Let
share
me turn
first?
sharing on and stop presenting so you can do that. Okay, that's on. Let's turn my presentation off. All right, Mr. Dixon, you have the floor. Okay, Courtney. Courtney, is it possible to turn? Never mind, I can see it. Okay, Courtney, you got a lot done, dude. Okay. All right, don't forget the rest of the questions. You started on the two bottom questions. You got other questions above. All right, Courtney, pretty good. I will see you on Monday, but make sure you turn that quiz in by 8 p.m. today. All right, so you're free to go.
All
Lisa's
right.
presenting. Oh, Lisa, thanks.
Hold on,
Okay, I
let
knew
me
she
go
was
to
still
the
here.
oven real quick.
Hey, Lisa, you got a lot done. Okay, don't forget the graphs and stuff, Lisa, and some of the simulations if you can find them. But great work. 8 p.m. tonight, everybody. Who's next in my list? Miss Childs, how far did you get? Or Leah? Angel? How far did you guys get? Leah, you there? Nope, she's sharing. Cool. Miss Childs jumped in front of you. All right, so y'all both leave your stuff going. All right, Miss Childs, how far did you get? Can you show me your document? Okay, that's looking pretty good. Oh, okay. So you following along with the video. Way to go. Okay. So oh, Angel left. Goodness gracious. I was about to ask him something. So Miss Childs, you are free to leave. Make sure you finish everything by 8 and put it inside of Edsby, okay? So I can grade it. All right.
Okay.
So this is Aaliyah. Yeah, I was gonna say sweetheart. Come on. There you go. You're killing my eyes. Okay, Aaliyah. All right. This is looking good. All right. Okay. So Aaliyah, you gotta put the graphs in there if you can for those math problems. And that's pretty much it for today. Make sure you turn all the steps in your work 8 p.m. tonight. And don't forget to go to GGI, okay?
All right.
All right, have a great weekend. Well, I got to see you later on today. I'm talking about have a great weekend. So I'll see you later
Right.
on today.
Okay.
All right.